Space Engine. A game that is not really a game. Apparently it's the 3D planetarium software. Okay. Anyway, it was released in 2010 and wow, I love it. Here is the Earth in Space Engine. Looks beautiful. Also the moon and the Milky Way. To be fair, you can see quite literally the whole universe. So why am I talking about this game? Well, I want to express how amazing it is and how scary it also is. Again, here's the Milky Way and Space Engine. If I put my speed up to as high as I can, 326 million light years per second, I can just hold A for a really long time. We are now so far from the Milky Way. They are procedurally generating everything. And this is all made up, and all of these have stars in. It just blows my mind how big of a game this is. How you can literally go to anywhere you want in the universe. It's kinda freaky. Anyway, I love this game. It's on Steam. Thank you. Catch you later.